Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia 9 PureView to an Android device. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, just do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, just click on OK. In order to use Send Anywhere app without an internet connection, click on Close in the pop-up at the top and tap on those gray switchers at the top right corners next to the loop. If you don't need to do that though, just don't click on the switchers at all. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Nokia. On it, you can select all of those categories from the top to choose all of your data that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen files. I will go with this one picture. Wherever you decide, when you finish, click on Send next to selected located at the bottom of this Nokia. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then just tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!